Hello everyone and welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we will be going through an informative video. Are you an Amazon seller failing to sell your products? Are you just not able to generate enough revenue on Amazon? So this video that is for you. Today we are diving into the success story of our Amazon ads campaign for a leading mobile case brand. Despite facing initial challenges in a competitive niche, we have emerged triumphant, generating over $30,700+ in terms of monthly sale with the ROAS of 11. So let's explore how we have navigated the obstacles and leveraged our 10+ years of experience on the PPC side of things to drive exceptional results. The mobile case niche presents unique challenges in the digital advertising landscape. From intense competition to evolving consumer preferences, establishing a foothold can be daunting. Additionally, issues like the low visibility and ineffective targeting compounded our initial struggles, hampering our campaign's performance. Drawing upon our extensive experience in PPC ads, we have developed strategic solutions to overcome these challenges effectively. Our deep understanding of the mobile case market enabled us to devise the tailored campaign that resonated with our target audience, drive engagement and sales. A key driver of our success was the strategic keyword targeting. By identifying and prioritizing high-performing keywords such as the best mobile case, transparent mobile case for iPhone, and protection case for mobile, we have ensured that our ads reach users actively seeking quality mobile protection solutions. This targeted approach enhanced our campaign's relevance and effectiveness, driving qualified traffic and conversions. In a competitive marketplace like Amazon, compelling product ads are essential for capturing users' attention and driving sales. We have crafted visually appealing and informative product type ads that showcase the unique features and benefits of our mobile cases. From durability to design, our ads highlighted the key selling points, enticing users to make informed strategic decisions. Effective budget management played a crucial role in optimizing our campaign performance. By just allocating our budget strategically across high converting keywords and the product ads, we have maximized the ROI while maintaining a competitive edge in the marketplace. This dynamic approach allowed us to achieve our revenue goals while controlling the cost effectively. One significant challenge we faced was low visibility, which hindered our campaign's reach and impact. However, with the strategic optimizations and enhanced targeting, we improved our ad placement and visibility, ensuring our products stood out in a crowded marketplace. Our proactive approach to visibility management fueled our campaign success, driving increased sales and revenue. Our journey to success didn't end up by just overcoming the initial challenges. We have maintained a relentless focus on optimizing, testing, fine-tuning our targeting, messaging, and budget allocation to stay ahead of the competition. This iterative approach allowed us to drive sustained growth in the sales, revenue, and the ROAS, delivering exceptional value for our client. In terms of our conclusion, our Amazon Go Ads campaign for a mobile case brand exemplifies the power of a strategic thinking, industry expertise, and continuous optimization. Despite facing challenges, we have achieved the outstanding results of $30,700+ in terms of revenue with the ROAS of 11. As we look ahead, we remain committed to driving further success and delivering the unparalleled value for our client. Please do like, share and subscribe, and don't forget to click on the bell icon.